Good morning, fifth grade. Today is Thursday, April 2nd. It is a rainy and misty day outside. Looks like it's going to be a little chilly today. So I'm really glad I got out for my walk yesterday. I hope you guys were able to get outside some too. Here is what we've got going on today. So in math today, so yesterday we talked about how to convert customary units of length. So remember length when we're measuring the length of something, we'll use my glasses case. We're measuring the length, we're measuring from one side to the other how long the item is. Today we're doing customary units of weight, so how much a thing weighs. And then next week we're going to start talking about volume, how much space there is on the inside. And this is not it's not such a easy thing to find the volume of. I'm not sure we'll find the volume of things like this, but we can definitely find the length and we can find the weight of it. So today we're going to be talking about weight and how to convert between those customary measures of weight. In literacy today, you are going to watch a video about evaluating sources. So when you're writing a research paper and you're doing a research project right now, we started talking about your topics yesterday. When you're doing a research project, you have to use sources. You have to find your information somewhere. So you are going to be required to have two sources of information that you're finding on the internet. So we've got a Pear Deck today about how to evaluate those sources, how to determine are those sources valid? Are they believable? Are they do they really have to do with your topic? So we're going to be talking about those things today in literacy. You'll also have another journal entry to put into your journal that we started in Google Slides the other day. So we'll be interested to see what you're adding to that. Make sure that you're adding a slide every day. There's going to be a topic every day. And all you need to do is just maybe a couple bullet points, a picture, some thoughts. These aren't, you don't have to do research for this journal. It's just your thoughts, how things are changing in your life, how your life is being affected, the things that you're doing and seeing around you. And this is going to be a great primary source for you to go back and look at years from now. Your kids are going to want to see this, your grandkids are going to want to see this, and understand from someone who was going through it what was happening in the world at this time, because it is an interesting and different time to be alive. So that's what we've got for literacy today. In science today, we're looking at the respiratory system. So when you're breathing, that's your respiratory system. Okay. Um, so we have a brain pop video and a Pear Deck for you to look at today for the respiratory system. So those are our core assignments for today. Um, Let me see. We're going to try another Google Meet. We had one yesterday, only a few people made it. I think it was new. It wasn't necessarily the time when everyone was on. Some people didn't follow the directions I gave in my video, so they weren't able to find the link. I sent it in your email yesterday. We're going to try another one tomorrow. We're going to do it at a different time. We're going to try it at 1 o'clock. So maybe some people were able to make it in the morning. Some people will be able to make it in the afternoon. So 1 o'clock tomorrow, we're going to try another Google Meet. This time, instead of sending the link in your email, I'm going to post it as an announcement on our Google Classroom. So just a few minutes before 1 o'clock, you should be able to find that link at the top of your feed in Google Classroom. You click on that, come in and join our meeting, and I would love to see some more of you tomorrow. It was great to look at and catch up with a few of you yesterday, and I hope more people can make it tomorrow just to say hello and get ourselves connected again. Okay. Um, Otherwise, the only other thing I wanted to talk about, and I've talked about this before, use of Google Chat. So I need you guys to remember when you're using Google Chat, when you're using your Gmail from school, when you're using your school device or your school associated accounts. Um, you need to really think about how you're using those. I have had reports of people using them very inappropriately. Some people are constantly sending chats to people, which makes it really difficult for other people to get their work done, and also tells me that you're not spending your time getting your work done. I've also had reports of some very inappropriate things said over Google Chat. Keep in mind, if you're choosing to do things like that, that there are records of the things that you're saying. The district can see them. The principal has heard reports about things that are being said. Um, like we've talked about with digital citizenship in the past, those things don't go away. They are there for people to see forever. And there are going to be some consequences. We've had some issues in the school of people abusing their use of Google Chat, and that is um, a tool that may be taken away from them because of that. So keep that in mind. Um, please don't be abusing it. Please be really thinking about how you're using it. This is mostly a tool for you to use to connect with me so that we can talk about questions you have. We can talk about some of your work and maybe things that need to be fixed or misconceptions you had, things that I can help you understand. So please remember that that is the proper use of your Gmail and your Google Chat. Okay. All right. Um, that's all the announcements that I have for this morning. I hope you're having a great day and that you're enjoying what we're learning this week. Also, make sure that you're checking out the read alouds. Our book is getting pretty exciting, so I hope you're not missing out on that. It's been a lot of fun. All right, have a great day, and hopefully I will see more of you tomorrow afternoon. Bye.